Hey guys, it's Emmanuel, also known as Amateur Aries, and today we're doing another unboxing. It's, I think, May's Birchbox. Yes, it's May's. I did April's last month. Duh. So I finally got this. This one's actually a little bit late compared to what they usually did. I was actually afraid that I might not be able to film it today because of how late it got. Luckily, I got it yesterday. So right here, there's a picture. The box has a whole bunch of images of females on it. I actually do not care for the art style. I know a lot of people like this art style. I don't care for it, so I probably won't keep this box. Usually I use these boxes as like little storage things. But no. Right away, you get this. You get an image of all these females in a group. It says, Female Founder Collective X Birchbox. We're thrilled to announce that we've joined the Female Founder Collective. So it's a group. So like, what does it do? A network business led by women, supporting women. Check out their seal on the front of the box. Check out the celebration. So after this little thing, which talks about the company, which is still interesting, you get this. This has the names of the companies, what the item is, how much it costs full price, and a little bit of information about it. I have noticed the last few of these products, the last 2 months, some of them don't even tell you how you're supposed to use them. So we're going to be checking that stuff out. Now that we're onto this page though, I have a few things to say. Before I get into this box, I will review products that are related to like makeup or cleansing, like washing your makeup off. But that's about it, because they give you sample sizes for, so anything that has to do with shampoo, conditioner, face lotion, creams, or stuff like that, I'm not going to review, because you need a large amount of that product to actually start seeing a difference in the future. And usually it takes about a month or two to start seeing a difference when it comes to those items. So I do not feel comfortable with giving you an honest review on those products, because I'm not getting enough of the product to say to you if it works or not. That's why when it comes to these, honestly, I'm not gonna buy most of these, because I don't get enough product to say, wow, this really works. Unless if it really, like, there's an extreme difference right away, then I might do it, but most times it changes over time. So right away, there's this little paper, and you just open the paper, and then you reveal your products. So I'm just gonna start grabbing and telling you what they are. This one I might be able to try, because I looked it up when I opened the box before. I was like, ooh, that one looks interesting. I can tell you I'm gonna be able to try and review it, because it says it's a foaming cleanser. So, will it really wash my face off really nice, or will it take my makeup off, and how? You know, see how much. So I might do a video of me testing it and reviewing it, or I might just do a review on it, or if it becomes empty, I'll do a review on it then. If you want me to try these products that I can review, tell me down below, and I'll get to those specifically right away. So this is Marcella, I think Marcella, or Marcel. City Anti-Pollution Micellar Foaming Cleanser. Full size is $15. That's actually not that terrible at all. Unless the full size is this, then I have a problem with it, but I don't think that's the full size. I hope not. Take it all off, meaning makeup and pore clogging debris with this foaming face wash that deeply cleanses and removes environmental aggressors without stripping the face or skin. Great, that means I can test this in a video and wipe all this makeup off. I might do that tonight if I remember. Anti-pollution micellar foaming cleanser. Apply morning and night to damp skin, massage face, avoiding eye area, and rinse with water. So this does give you directions. I'm really excited about this. I need more facial cleaners when it comes to my makeup, because a lot of the stuff I'm using for wiping off my makeup just slathers it all over and doesn't take it off, and it's starting to get a little irritating that I'm spending money that does that. Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Smoothing Anti-Frizz Dry Oil Mist. Full size is $34. This lightweight mist tames unruly frizz and flyaways while softening hair with a blend of replenishing oils. Hold the mist 4 to 6 inches away from the hair and spray from roots to ends. So, ever since I got my hair cut to this size, I really haven't had frizz problems, because now my hair is like all like healthy. But I might give it to my mother for her to try, because she has really bad frizzy dry hair. Amica Velveteen Dream Smoothing Balm. Full size, $25. Hydrate hair and calm frizz with this lightweight styling cream. Work a small amount through the damp strands and then heat still as desired. Again, I am probably not going to use this because I don't have really frizz problems. So I might give this again to my mom. Anything that she doesn't want or I don't want will be put into a box slide eventually and sold on eBay. So keep an eye on that in my community channel parts, because that's where I really tell you guys what I'm selling, because some of you guys want to know. Okay, next is, ooh, I've been wanting to try this for a very long time, but I never had money to try it. Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. So basically, Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow Volumizing Eyebrow Gel. So this goes on the eyebrow. So here, for some reason I thought my eyelashes, because, you know. 3 medium, full size, $24. This tinted brow gel, water-resistant formula, fills in sparse spots for natural-looking fullness. Using short strokes, gently apply the precision tip for the inner edge outward. So I'm actually going to try that now, because it's easy to try it now. And I don't have anything. So this is what it looks like. It's very cute and tiny. I've actually always wanted to try this. I always see other beauty gurus use these things. But again, I'm very cheap, because this girl, you know, I don't know if it's the right shade, so this is going to be interesting. Does it look fuller yet? I can't tell. I don't know. I can't tell a difference. Can you guys tell a difference? Does it look different? My eyebrows feel wet, but that's about it. IPKN Radiant Cream Primer SPF 15. Full size is $28. This SPF infused pore minimizing primer is made for the good for you fruit extracts and pearl powder to create an evil luminous canvas for makeup applications. I will definitely use this, because I have like 2 mini Smash Brush trial ones, and this would be just added to my primer area. So don't know if I'll do a review on it though. We'll see how it goes when, you know, if it does any difference, if it does a crap job, if it does a good job. Oh, I should look up to see if it has any directions. It does. Apply daily on clean, dry skin. Apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. So you can use this without makeup. Jane Iredale Just Kiss Lip and Cheap Stain Forever Pink. Full size is $28. This multitasking, long-lasting color adjusts to the skin of your lips. And cheeks for a natural, customized shade. So just like change colors. It looks like this. I'll have to try it when I don't have any makeup on, because I have a really dark shade on my lip right now, and it's probably just gonna rub it off and turn this into that shade. I'll try that when I'm just like not having any makeup on and just going out somewhere. Amika Velveteen Dream Smoothing Shampoo and Conditioner. Full size is $24. This shampoo and conditioner duo protects hair from heat and humidity throughout the day to fight frizz, and contains vitamin BF to strengthen and repair hair. I might try these out, but I'm not going to do a review on it, because these, like I said, these type of products need some time to actually start showing a difference. You can't say it's going to work right away, because, you know, it might not. This is the reason why I don't like trying these type of products for review, because they don't give you very much anyways. That's all. So, I will be reviewing some of these, like maybe this. I'm probably reviewing this. I'll try a little bit more. I'll try to see if this blurs out my pores. If it doesn't, most of these, since they're such small products, I'll probably just review them in an empty. So keep an eye for my empty videos. I don't have many of them because I preserve a lot of my products and I don't put makeup on very often. So a lot of my products is like they never run out, because I'm always like preserving them as much as possible, because this girl has no money. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm really excited about this. I might film that tonight. This doesn't stay. I have to film this tonight. We'll see. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be Birchbox openings in the future, so expect them every month. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like to see more.